Arabia Maroc 101 Delta, stand November 8, ready for push and start.
Arabia Maroc 101 Delta, clear back for push and start.
Standing by.
101 Delta, pushback approved facing west, startup approved, the beam stand November 7.
Pushback is approved, facing west, and startup is approved at beam stand 7, Arabia Maroc 101 Delta.
Alright, Captain, inject yourself.
Lovely, thank you very much, and starting 2.
Starting 2.
Yeah.
And 2. And 1. Oil pressure.
Alright, Captain, pushback finish, miss it, vacuum.
Parking brake set.
Tangier, 3877 on stand November 6, request startup.
Start record out.
Clear 1.
1 clear, sir.
Starting 1.
Starting 1.
3877, clear back startup.
Thank you.
And 2. And 1. Oil pressure.
Alright, Captain, second flow box is connected by first remote.
Thank you very much, and we have 2 good starts. You are clear to disconnect. We'll see you with the hand signals and the pin on the right. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.
5 minutes back.
Liner 3877 startup approved, clear back for pushback.
Okay.
Okay.
Phoenix there.
Okay, flap 5 please. Recall. Select controls. Left, center, right, center, before taxi checklist, please.
Default taxi checklist, generators.
On,
Help kit.
on,
Anti-ice.
off,
Isolation mode.
auto,
Engine start switches.
Continuous.
Recall.
check,
Auto brake.
RTO,
Engine start lever.
idle 10, flaps. So, 5 required, 5 selected, green light.
Flight controls.
Check,
Ground equipment.
is clear.
Clear. Default taxi checklist complete.
Alright, let's do it.
Arabia Maroc 101 Delta, request taxi.
Arabia Maroc 101 Delta, taxi holding point runway 28, QNH 1007.
Taxi to holding point 28, QNH 1007, Arabia Maroc 101 Delta.
Thank you, clear left.
Clear right.
Arabia Maroc 101 Delta via Bravo, line up and wait runway 28.
Via Bravo, line up runway 28, Arabia Maroc 101 Delta.
Okay, 28's identified, clear left, and confirm we're clear to enter line up.
Clear to
Wait.
line up.
Alright, before takeoff check, please.
Clear sector clear.
Before takeoff. Flaps. 5, green light.
Stabilize the trim.
Is at 6.2 units.
Static.
Set.
Yep.
Is complete. Oh, secure.
Yeah. Tikas.
Is TA or A.
For takeoff checklist complete.
Arabia Maroc 101 Delta, runway 28 cleared for takeoff, wind 270 degrees, 7 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 28, Arabia Maroc 101 Delta.
Alright. Timing. Happy?
Yeah, stabilize.
Set takeoff thrust.
Thrust set.
80 knots.
Check.
V1,
V1.
rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up, please.
Arabia Maroc 101 Delta, contact approach 121, decimal 3, مع السلامة.
1212, Arabian Maroc 101 Delta, bye.
Yeah, we're...
Departure hello, Arabian Maroc 101 Delta, passing 1900, climbing flight level 100.
Arabian Maroc 101 Delta, report cross level 60.
Call you crossing flight level 60, Arabian Maroc 101 Delta.
Alright, flaps 1, please.
Speed check.
Flaps 1 set.
And flaps up.